Last time I saw your face was on Christmas Eve. Now your mother gets to embrace you again up in the clouds. Oh, I'm so proud. Yes, I am proud. Yes, I am proud to carry your name. Last time I heard your voice was on Christmas Eve. Played your song of mine on my guitar. How I wished for you to be proud of me. You raised my father, who made me who I am today. Me and my brothers, we will never forget the summers in Darling. Now your father gets to see you again. Up in the clouds, up in the clouds. Oh, I'm so proud. I'm so proud. Why I'm proud to carry your name. Oh, I'm so proud. Yes, I am proud to carry your name. Yes, I am proud. Oh, I'm so proud to carry your name. Oh, I'm so proud. Yes, I'm so proud to carry your name. Too much time on the telephone, waiting for you to call. Why are your pictures still hanging on my wall? I spend too much time in these empty rooms. This place is great without you. It's time for me to realize you're gone. I spend too much time in these empty rooms, listening to the rain. I just hope that you'll come back again and give these walls color, light up these rooms once more. I spent too little time with you when you were here. I don't know why, but it's something I can't undo. I spend too much time worrying about